Hello, and welcome back to Mr. B Teaches History. Today's lecture will focus on the everyday life of those living in the United States during the Great Depression. So let's get started. The Congress of Industrial Organizations broke away from the American Federation of Labor in the 1930s because they wanted all workers in industry unionized regardless of their race, sex, or skill level. Strikes were also frequent during the Great Depression because companies resisted union demands. Workers in Flint, Michigan participated in a sit-down strike by sitting down at the assembly line and refusing to work or leave to get their rights to join a union secured. But others were beaten and driven away at other automobile plants. Meanwhile, the largest steel corporation, U.S. Steel, recognized the CIO unions, but smaller companies did not, which led to a strike in Chicago. Workers also got a minimum wage and a maximum work week and child labor restrictions in the Fair Labor Standards Act of 1938. Despite the consumption problems of the Great Depression, a severe drought in the early 1930s ruined crops in the Great Plains. Caused by poor government-approved farming practices and high winds, millions of tons of dried topsoil blew away. Thousands of farmers moved westward in search of farm or factory work. In response, the federal government passed the Soil Conservation Service that taught farmers strategies like crop rotations, terraced fields, contour plowing, and planting trees to stop soil erosion and to conserve water. Federal subsidies helped the region recover, but the environmental issues remained. African Americans were the last hired and therefore the first fired when the Great Depression began, and African American sharecroppers were forced off their land due to cutbacks in farm production. Due to racial discrimination, African Americans were also excluded from state or local relief programs and could not count on the support of President Roosevelt, who feared the loss of white Southern Democratic voters. The New Deal did provide segregated, low-paying jobs for African Americans, but the Fair Employment Practices Committee assisted minorities in gaining jobs in the defense industry, and over 100 African Americans were appointed to mid-level positions within the federal departments. Native Americans got involved in the Civilian Conservation Corps projects on the reservations due to the Bureau of Indian Affairs. Reservation lands were also returned to tribes when the Dawes Act was repealed in the Indian Reorganization Act. It also encouraged tribal organizations and the preservation of Native American Indian cultures, but was accused of being paternalistic and keeping control from Native American Indian tribes. Mexican Americans were an important part of agricultural labor in the American Southwest and attempted to form unions. Unfortunately, white migrant workers usually replaced these workers when they attempted to unionize. The government also increased border patrols and mass deportations of Mexicans so that jobs could go to white workers. This deportation also included many naturalized and native-born Mexican American citizens as well. Due to many men being out of work, many women sought work to supplement the family income, leading to an increase in the workforce. People, though, accused them of taking jobs from men, but women did not go into factory jobs, and most men did not seek the types of jobs available for women. Also, many New Deal programs allowed women to receive lower pay than men.
If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or clarifications you would like to make about this lecture, please leave a comment below. If you learned something new, please consider leaving a like. If you would like to receive notifications of more content like this, please consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell. If you would like to support this channel and creator financially, please check out the links in the description for merchandise or sites that will provide me direct financial support for the work of this channel. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Class dismissed.